When life closes one door, trust the bigger plan. What happens when life doesn't go as planned? We've all been there. You worked hard for a promotion only to watch it go to someone else. You did your best, but didn't get the outcome you hoped for. In that moment, it's easy to fall into despair. I'm not good enough. They don't value me. What's the point of trying? These thoughts can trigger a chain reaction, a spiral of frustration, disappointment, and self-doubt. But pause for a moment. What if this setback wasn't the end? What if it was the beginning of a far greater journey? You see, growth doesn't always come from achievement. Sometimes it comes from rejection, from failure, from being told no. Because in those moments, life is nudging you, asking you to go deeper. Maybe you weren't meant to get that promotion because something better is waiting. Maybe the closed door is really a detour leading you to your true path. But how do we know? The answer lies in how we choose to perceive the experience. Instead of seeing rejection as proof of your inadequacy, see it as feedback. Ask questions. Get curious. Why was someone else chosen? What skills or qualities did they have that you could develop? Sometimes the most painful experiences contain the most valuable lessons if we're willing to look. Think of it this way. Life is like school. If you've mastered third grade, the universe doesn't want you to stay there forever. It will push you gently or forcefully into the next level. That push might come in the form of losing a job, a failed project, or a breakup. But in truth, it's an invitation to rise. And that rise begins with one choice, the decision to grow. Let me share a story. Early in my career, I was part of a financial project I believed in. I gave it my all. But when results didn't match expectations, I received a fraction of my usual pay. I felt betrayed, defeated. But looking back, that moment was the turning point of my life. It forced me to ask, what do I really want to do? What would I still love doing 20 years from now? And from that reflection, a new path emerged. I discovered my true calling, and within months, I was leading sold-out seminars, doing work that fulfilled me on every level. It wasn't the setback that changed my life. It was how I chose to respond, and you can do the same. So the next time you feel overlooked, rejected, or stuck, remember this. Life is never punishing you. It's preparing you. Your job is not to control the outcome. Your job is to listen, reflect, and realign with your purpose. Every closed door can be a blessing in disguise if you're willing to knock on a new one. Choose growth. Choose awareness. Choose the path that leads you back to your heart. Because from there, everything is possible.